Test, test, 1, 2, 3. What is going on? All my beautiful people, YouTubers, loyal subscribers. Guys, what's going on? It's me, Marlon, the digital marketing maniac. Guys, it's been a minute since I've done a video. Lots of things going on. The first thing I want to do is wish all of you guys a happy new year, guys. And so as we move into the new year, what I wanted to do was sort of set up a structure and set up a game plan for anybody who's operating any type of business at all, guys, so that we can actually lay the proper foundation for our businesses as we actually move into the year 2022, guys. And it's going to be a very explosive year in terms of the home-based business, affiliate marketing arena, and direct mail as well, guys. And that's got me really super pumped up. I'm really excited. Again, I want to wish you guys happy new year. And so, guys, let's move right into this video when we talk about laying the proper foundation for your business, because one of the things I think that happens, and I know it definitely happened to me, is the fact that when I first got started marketing online, I actually always came through the back door. And what I mean by that is I was always joining programs and systems and biz ops, but I was doing it, just say I was doing it backwards, okay? So one of the first things you want to really consider doing, guys, when you talk about laying the proper foundation for your business, is knowing how to set up your own automated marketing systems, okay? And of course, guys, as always, true to form, I got some typos on the page. I just built this page out, and so I'm really excited. So don't concentrate on the typos, concentrate on the message, guys, because as an entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur, one of the very first things that you should consider before launching your business is laying a proper foundation, right? And the best way to establish foundation is by being able to create your own marketing systems. Don't let anybody fool you, guys. That's the best way to lay the proper foundation. And there are several reasons why, right? Number one, is that you can create and build a brand, if you will, as it were, around your business products and services. And if you guys are finding me on YouTube, you want to subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be going through some case studies and some actual examples of what I'm talking about when I'm talking about building your own brand around your products and your services and your affiliate offers, by the way. And so as we move into this year, we're going to lay the proper foundation for that, okay? Because it's going to give you an unfair advantage. Number two, you can start building your own list of individuals most interested in your business products and services, right? And then number three, of course, you can automate the entire engagement, re-engagement process, right? On complete and total automation. So what do I mean by that? Okay, so what I mean is, when you start laying the proper foundation for your business and you can start building your own marketing systems, right? You can automate your marketing, right? And we're going to be moving through a series of videos. And now, guys, I've actually was able to put all this in one place. You know, you guys have seen me in the past all over the place. Well, now I'm going to all of this is going to be housed in some free training for a lot of you guys and a lot of paid training. And you guys will see what I'm talking about when we get into that. But this whole section over here on the left is going to fill up, right? It's going to fill up with all types of evergreen marketing training for laying the proper foundation for your business. Now, a lot of you guys may see this and you may venture off to the right or left a little bit thinking, and no, this is not something that you really need and or want to actually implement, right, in your business. But I can tell you guys, and I'll bet you a dollar to a dime, that at the end of the day, you'll come back to a video like this, whether it's from me or somebody else, and you'll understand what we're talking about when we're talking about laying the proper foundation. List building, branding, engagement, re-engagement with your particular target audience. And I don't care what it is you want to market and promote. So if you're finding me on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe, guys, and I'll make this page and all of this or a lot of this training is going to be available to you, and you're going to be able to use it to build and grow and scale your business bigger. Trust me. Now, guys, listen to this. Today, when we're talking about setting up your own automated marketing systems, right? We're talking about being able to generate leads, right? For any product or service, affiliate offer, anything that you want, okay? I'm not pitching a business opportunity here, guys. We're talking about evergreen resources, tools, and ultimately techniques and tactics that you can actually implement to grow your business. Any business, by the way. Now, so we're highlighting in today's video, the kick of this, the onset of this, guys, and it's going to go into my training. You guys are going to see how we're setting this up, is the HBA funnel building software. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm highlighting in this kickoff video for this new year in 2022 is the HBA funnel building software. You can do anything with this software, guys, and at a fraction of a cost or places you could go like ClickFunnels or even the Power Lead system, because it's all inside of the actual HBA funnel builder. Now, initially, I was going to go into the actual HBA funnel builder and start showing you guys all these over-the-shoulder videos, which I have scattered all across YouTube. But I'm not going to do that, guys. What I will show you, what I will allow you to just stand over my shoulder right now and watch when I tell you this, is a great little demo I got down here, right? So when I say click here to see the HBA funnel builder in action, I'm going to click over there and show you guys how when you start talking about laying that proper foundation for your business, how you want to start laying that proper foundation by having yourself a lead capture page, okay? A splash page. You can call it whatever you want to, but the point is, guys, when you can start laying the foundation for your business, you can do a one of three and a lot more of the things that I talk about. You can start creating and building your own brand. You can actually start building your own list. And of course, you're going to be able to engage and re-engage with these potential prospects, these people coming onto your list on complete and total automation. And then, guys, last but not least, I got a great alternative over here for anybody who might not be ready or to actually pick up this software that I'm talking about. It's only $25 a month, by the way. And so we're going to talk about that. But first, guys, let's jump over here to one of the capture pages that I created using this software. Now, guys, when I tell you I create these pages in less than 5 minutes, and that's when I'm going slow, that's exactly what I mean. I created this page, guys, in probably about 5 minutes. You can create these pages in about 5 minutes. And the beauty of it is you can take these pages when you understand the anatomy of how this actual funnel building software works and redirect it to anywhere that you want it to go. Your affiliate offers, your Facebook fan page, your YouTube video channel, any number of affiliate offers, whatever it is you want to market and promote, guys, you can start marketing and promoting, and you can also start branding, right? Branding yourself right at the front door, if that makes sense to any of you guys, okay? And so one of the other things I'm just going to go on and plug, guys, is I'll leave the link to this actual capture page in the YouTube video description there. If you guys are on the list, just click the link below the video. It'll actually take you guys right over to what's going on. A lot of you guys should know what it is. Working on really three primary business ops this year, guys, okay? And you guys are you're really going to be excited about this, because the other thing we want to concentrate on is focus, right? So you build yourself your own capture pages. You're able to capture the name and or email addresses and phone numbers if you desire. You can do it all inside the HBA funnel building software. And then once a person gives you that information, then they come to the other side of that page. Now remember, the branding starts at the front door, right? And so that's how that works, guys. And I wanted to make sure that you guys understood that as we talk about laying the proper foundation for your business. Because if you think about it, you get involved in all these great business opportunities, and they're all great, right? All types of ways to make money working online now, guys, thanks to technology and automation. But a lot of times you won't be provided with that front door in terms of building your own automated marketing systems. And it starts with that capture page, guys. Remember, you can build that list, you can re-engage with that list, and you can brand yourself at the same time. So that's why, and that's one of the things I think we really need to put the focus on as we move into the year 2022, right? Because the businesses, the opportunities, the biz ops, the programs, they're a dime a dozen. You can find them anywhere, guys. But I think when you start taking more control of your marketing and your marketing message, then you'll really come to realize how simple it is to automate the entire process, right? And by automating the entire process, I mean, once we start getting into the traffic portion of this series and inside of this training and this actual new site that I'm putting up, guys, it's a series of sites that's interconnected. So you guys will actually be able to, at the click of a mouse, you'll be able to go and click all of the training that I've actually set up inside of this actual, it's really um, a place where anybody can come and learn these kind of things, and it's all in one place. I guess that's what I should be putting the emphasis on. You don't have to bounce all over the place. Everything is going to be housed inside of one website, from all the tools and resources, the lead and traffic generation techniques, the tactics, the strategies, the resources. Everything that you need will be inside of really what I created now is a members area, because I was all over the place, right? And you guys know that. There I go, guys, with the spelling. Okay, so anyway, so what we want to concentrate on, in essence, is starting to build our own list, right? You guys hear me oftentimes talking about the list building lifestyle. Well, guys, when you talk about automating your business, when you talk about automated lead generation and list building, it doesn't get much better than what happens when you talk about the Hba funnel building software. Yes, it's $25 a month. Maybe that's a disqualifier for some of you guys. Don't worry, guys. If it is, then you understand that. But then, guys, I want you to come down here, and I'm going to give you guys who feel like the $25 a month is too much. We're going to give you a great alternative, okay? And so I'm going to go down and talk about the alternative to the Hba funnel builder. Just understand that when you have this type of software, when you have the type of software where you can start building your own list, then you truly get to zone in on your marketing. You truly get to own your marketing and your marketing messages. You truly get to brand yourself right at the front door, and you can automate the entire thing. So let's jump over here real quick, guys. And if you click here, depending on how you guys are finding this, we'll go over to the actual list building alternative. You guys may have seen this, some of you guys. And so we're going to talk briefly about List Infinity. Right? Another great way, guys, to start building your own list. Now, in this instance, where List Infinity is concerned, guys, you won't have as much creativity at your fingertips as you would with the Hba funnel building software, but it's apples and oranges, guys. I'm going to log in and show you guys what I'm talking about now. So what happens is, inside of List Infinity, you have these lead capture pages. Any number of them, guys. It's free to join. You can pick any of the pages that you want, and then, guys, voila, let's just click one real quick. Let me show you guys this. There you go. An instant, done for you lead capture page, ready to start collecting those names and those email addresses of your potential prospects, right? Your target audience, guys. There's traffic built inside of the actual members area. Definitely something you want to see. And here's the kicker. You guys can actually earn yourself some handsome $100 affiliate commissions just by sharing List Infinity with other people. All kinds of great training that's inside of here, guys, all in one place. So again, that's a great alternative for you guys who don't really want to or you might be a little on the fence about actually getting into the actual Hba funnel builder, which I can't understand why, guys, because either way, it's a win-win situation for anybody when you talk about laying the proper foundation of your business. Because remember, you can take these pages, whether you're building them inside of the Hba funnel builder or whether you're building them inside of List Infinity, and you can redirect those pages to any way you want. Well, not inside the well, when you talk about List Infinity, it's a little bit different in the sense that these lead capture pages that we're talking about, guys. Let's jump back over here and look at one of my favorites real quick, the one that I just put together, are able to be integrated with almost any major autoresponder. And we're going to cover that in this series of videos. But what I mean is, when these people opt into my particular page, although I built the page inside of the Hba funnel building software, they're actually connected, right, by what we call an API key. Don't worry about that. It's all covered in over-the-shoulder training inside of your members area. And so now they're on my get response email list, okay? Remember, we talked about that automation. So it's very similar when it comes to List Impact, or should I say List Infinity, by the way, because what happens with List Infinity is You can take these same pages, which I've already done, and maybe I'll shoot a video and show you guys how to do it. And so we're going to log in again. I'm going to show you guys that how I've taken the lead capture pages, and these pages are also interconnected to my get response autoresponder. Okay, when we talk about that automation, that re-engagement. So whether you go with List Infinity or whether you go with the HBA Funnel Builder, you can achieve the same goal, which in my mind is being able to build your own list, right? Nothing as powerful. To me, that's probably one of the greatest investments you're ever going to make. And if you think about it, guys, if you're just randomly sending traffic to an affiliate offer, to your product page, service, or blog, whatever you're doing, right? And people are visiting that page. They come to that page, but without a lead capture page, they're gone. They're there and they're gone. And we already know that our attention spans, including mine, are about as long as our pinkies are, right? So a lot of times a person will visit your site. They might even be interested in it, but sometimes because this a crazy hustle and bustle world we live in, they just may not have time to engage as much as they would. Well, by being able to follow up with these prospects, because now they're on your list, this is how you automate your business, right? This is how you take more control, right, of what it is you want in terms of your marketing, and in terms of your marketing messaging, in terms of your branding, and in terms of your automation. So that's what the big idea is. That's what it's all about, guys. That's what we're talking about as we move into the actual new year. I don't think I could be more excited. Let me see, can I back up a little bit? I don't know if I could be more excited than I am right now, guys, as we talk about laying the proper foundation for your business, because it doesn't matter what you want to market and promote, guys. Remember, the opportunities are all around us, right? You might be sitting on one right now. One of the other advantages that you're going to have inside of the HBA Funnel Builder, or even if you decide to use the List Infinity software, is that you can stand out. Remember, we talked about that branding, guys, okay? And so you want to stand out, and you guys are going to get to see some really cool examples of how you're able to do it, and how you're able to do it in so many ways, but not only how you're able to do it and how you're able to do it in so many ways, but how you can do it at the snap of a finger and or the click of a mouse. So again, guys, happy New Year's to all you guys. If you're looking, you're starting your own business right now, guys, and you're on the fence, you don't really know where to start. The great thing about the HBA Funnel Builder and or List Infinity is they both have great affiliate components rolled into them. You can actually earn commissions 80% on the HBA Funnel Builder, which is $20 a month out of the $25 a month you're paying, and then of course in List Infinity, $100 commission paid directly to you as you share these incredible tools with other people. And you get to start branding yourself. You get to start really putting that spin on your marketing and your messaging, right? Again, let's take one more look at that page just to give you guys a bird's eye view of what you're going to be able to start creating. And then, guys, you can market and promote whatever you want to. You can do whatever's clever where your business is concerned, because now you own the process, right? If that makes sense. Thanks so much for being on the video, guys. If you guys are finding me on YouTube, go down and subscribe, guys. I'm going to upload this all the YouTube channels. I am back officially, guys. I've been out for about 6 weeks, maybe. I don't know, maybe 5. Anyway, great to see you guys. Great to hear from you guys. Guys, have any questions about anything, don't hesitate to reach out, guys, and let me know. You'll find all my information, to include the links to both of these actual softwares that I talked about in the YouTube video description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, Happy New Year's. Thanks, everybody. As always, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing all you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle with no limits. Keep rocking. Let's make some things happen. And I'll see you guys on the next video.